Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some Jamaican style fried dumpling. Now if you know about dumplings then you know. If you don't know, you better stay tuned and get to know.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, here is my fried dumpling. Look at that. Perfection. Let's just open this baby up. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Listen. Just follow my recipe. I never used to be able to fry dumpling. They just used to be all wrong. And I'm telling you, I say, you know what? It nah beat me. And I try and I try and I try. And I'm telling you, even me nowadays, I'm like, yeah, boy. Is that me? Yeah, man. That's me. So, yeah, look at that. You know, that's just the one, right? Listen to that. Crunchy, but then look in the middle. Like soft. So this bit's gonna disappear now. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel by hitting that red button that you see down below. That should be great. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Thank you so much again for watching. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen on Instagram. You get more goodies over there. So thank you. Bye.